Mga tao talaga naghanap ng way para makapasok. Kaya ayun. Tsaka dito na lang kami ni Abu Malik, maglalakad na lang kami papuntang Friday Market. Ayan.
Hi guys!
How are you? Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ngayon guys, nasa labas kami dahil may pupuntahan kami nila Abu Malik. May bibiliin lang kami dun sa Friday Market. Kaya ayan, papunta tayo doon. Sobrang dami ng tao yun doon mamaya guys. Kaya ayan, say hi Abu Malik. Hi Malik. Hi guys! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Please,
Sup, eagle.
please.
Giraffe.
I don't like Malik now, guys. He's talking different.
I know, but he makes I
yes.
know.
You know. He's doing like that, guys. Please subscribe. And, no, it's not this one, Malik.
Giraffe, somebody.
I'll go there. I don't like Malik now, guys.
Mama's a good giraffe. Daddy's a good lion.
Ayan, guys.
Malik is a good crocodile.
Kasi hindi pa po pala nakapag-subscribe, guys.
He
Please
was
subscribe
our lions,
and
more
don't
lions
forget to
and
hit the
good
notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin, guys. Shout out sa Team Lovebirds, sa aming inay na si Akikuko, and Sid 88OLM. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa kanila, please subscribe din. Ayan guys. Tsaka salamat sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa channel ko guys. Thank you so much sa mga member ko dyan. At sa mga magpapamember pa lang, maraming salamat guys. Ayan, sa mga gustong magpa-member dyan, join na kayo sa membership namin guys, at para makabil rin kayo ng WH.
عشان مكتوب اب شوي في المر.
Ayan. Hindi kasi yung mga nagjo-join ng membership dyan guys, syempre piniplay ko din naman yan sila. Masalamat din. Kasi yan lang naman maibigay. Yan lang ang maibibigay ko guys. Kaya ayan, para makita nyo yung Kuwait guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Para ma-tour ko kayo. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na ang Kuwait guys. Ayan, traffic pa tayo. Mainit ngayon, sobrang init. Pero ngayon bumaba na, kaninang araw. Nasa, how many degrees ang before?
Before 54.
54?
Oh, like 12 o'clock I checked today.
See, this is now lesser. Maybe this is the one in the Jets Resort. We visit sometimes here.
Okay. You can come in our vacation.
Maybe this one cheap here. You remember the
If you
Jets?
sell bags, you can find bag for money. Go to school.
I think we should buy from online.
For money? Nice.
Cheap in the shade.
Ah, okay.
Because I already buy online before.
So nice?
Yeah, so we'll see.
But
It's cheap
no need to
online.
take big size for him.
Yeah, it's only small one.
For him.
Fit.
Because he put books also inside, you know?
I think only one bag, his food there inside. But
Oh.
I will see.
It should be, it's okay inside, so his food, water, his books also.
Maybe one pack, and then there's a one bag like for
Outside.
his food.
So not paying for his bag.
We'll see.
Only inside, I think in kindergarten, actually, the teacher handles them for food, صح?
They will help them.
Help them, صح?
eat food. But Malik, he knows now how to eat his food. Let us sleep. Actually, ilang beses na tayo magdaan dito, guys. Dito talagang maliwanag dito, guys, paggabi kasi daming mga ilaw, hindi tipid sa kuryente dito, guys. Hindi tipid sa kuryente. Ayan.
We got fuel في السكن كله fuel لسه.
Mag-fuel muna, mag-gasolina muna daw kami ni Abong Malik.
Malik, we go fuel station, okay?
Okay.
You tell before this truck need gas, right? I choose a fuel station now, okay?
Ayan dyan, guys, mga Kuwaiti na bahay yan dyan. Mga lokal yan sa lokal.
Or Kuwait is this one.
But open the door,
So,
okay?
Kuwaitis.
Oh, only window.
Nakatira dito, guys.
Only the window enough, Malik, to open window, okay?
Like open air
Dahil
so I
maggasolina
smell it.
tayo,
Open the window.
That's it, because I opened the AC.
I remember before, I think
No,
this
I
is
want
close
to
here.
open.
No, they open.
They open already.
They make a new, mashallah, nice.
Ayan, guys.
Ay, come to time.
Ayan, bahay ng mga lokal yan dyan, guys. Close muna natin.
It's open now, see, it's a nice mashallah.
Ito yung gasolina natin. Ayan, gasolina tayo.
And me?
Oo, taxi. Ayan na, guys, dahil tapos na kami magpatubel, kaya ito, road trip tayo papunta Friday Market.
whatever.
There.
What's there? Yeah, I saw it in the plane.
Kung gaano ko traffic guys. Ayan, pag Friday pa lang kayo lumabas din yan. Kasi mas magandang dito. So, yun. Lowering stock. That is the lowering stock.
Full dash on it. Is it?
Did not sit down properly.
Steve Malik?
Ella, you should sleep.
I don't sleep.
Okay, okay, خلاص. Ayan, dito na kami guys. Nag-shortcut kami ni Abu Malik. Nang-shortcut kami kasi nga may police doon. Hindi in-allowed pumasok. Kasi talagang sobrang dami ng tao dito pag Friday. Ayan. Pero mga tao talaga naghanap ng way para labas, makapasok. Kaya ayun. Tsaka dito na lang kami ni Abu Malik, maglalakad na lang kami papuntang Friday market. Ayun, it's nice. صح؟
Good.
Yeah.
Ayan, dito na yan. Nice parking here.
صح عايش؟
Ayan, dito na kami. Pero si
مهير
Malik,
very good. سوي جودارك ان شاء الله. صح؟ ايوه. يلا.
maglalakad na lang kami.